Let's talk about whipped cream. This might be a little bit of a nerdy video, but stick around. This utensil right here is a whisk. What its purpose is to incorporate air into an ingredient. Cream has a ton of fat in it, which allows our air to be suspended within it. So let's whisk it up. But just by whisking for about 10 seconds, you can start to see the foam. When I whisk, I like to do a figure 8 motion. It's getting a little thicker. We're gonna keep going. I've whisked my cream until it forms soft peak, so that means if I take my whisk, grab some cream, and flip it up right, see how that peak is kind of tilted over? That is a soft peak right there. If I keep going, I will get stiff peaks. Now I have reached stiff peak. So again, put your whisk in there, grab some cream, flip it over, and if that peak stands straight up, that's a stiff peak. If I were to continue whisking this, it will then start to separate the fat from the buttermilk, and then we would end up with butter. I'm not gonna do that by hand because it takes about 20 minutes, and my arms already hurt. But I will make some nice whipped cream for dessert. So I just have powdered sugar that I'm putting in, and a splash of vanilla.